Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to tour a single story home that might be something that will interest you if you are in the process of downsizing or if you're just looking for a house that's not too big. So this is the model home here that we're going to take a look at. It's only 1,237 square feet and it's easy to maintain. So therefore, if this is something that you are looking for, please check out the entire video so that you will see the open floor plan. And as you can see guys, there's a lot of nice stonework on this one. I really would like to invite you to subscribe. Yes, very important, so that once I post the videos, you will be able to see it. Put those bell notifications on and like the video. All right, let's tour this amazing single story planned by Lennar here in Summerlin. All right guys, so this is the garage area here, but the main entrance of the house is actually on this side. So we're gonna go on the main entrance so we can get inside this model home. It's a single story, so I love it. Look at this. This is Claremont, right? All right, let's go inside. Look at this stonework, guys. This is a lot of stonework. Just wanted to show you how beautiful the stonework is here. Right? Okay, let's go inside. Knock, knock. All right, they have that system also. When it comes to Lennar, they have that amazing smart system, security system. All right, there's some door here. There is a door here. Let's check it out. It's a small coat closet. All right, this is your smart AC there. Look at this, guys. You have a mini foyer here. Let's go to the left side of this house to see what's happening here. Ooh, this is your laundry area, right? And then I believe this is the access to the garage that we saw a while ago. And usually we cannot enter that. So let's go to this bedroom here. Oh, I love that wall paper there, guys. I'll show you quickly. So that you can appreciate the wallpaper. I like the style of the wallpaper. It's far from the video, but when I go near, look at this design, guys. This is a nice wallpaper to have. It's very elegant. It doesn't justify on the video, but when you go here in person, it's a really nice pattern of wallpaper. So you can put your TV here if you wanted to have a TV there. All right, let's take a look at what's happening on this. It has an ensuite bathroom. Look at that. Hello. Ooh, love the color of this cabinet, guys. Look at this. I'm going to show it to you. This cabinet and the design of it is the one that I like. Okay, so they didn't have an upgrade on this one because it looks standard to me, the sink. But double sink is always appreciated. Again, this one you can upgrade later on if you want. And this is a walk-in closet here. Not a big size walk-in closet, but definitely something bigger than usual, than most bedrooms that I saw in the secondary. I don't know if this is the secondary though. This might be the owner's bedroom because it has its own separate toilet usually. This might be the owner's bedroom. Let me open that toilet light there. So you have that toilet there. And you have this bathroom here. They use a really nice flooring, guys. Look at that, right? Nice flooring. All right, that is your maybe owner's bathroom, but we can check. because there are only 2 bedrooms here. So we will be able to verify once we go to the others. All right, let's check out on the right side before we go to the main area. Okay, so I believe that one that we saw a while ago is the main bedroom, because there's another area here where it's staged as an office, but I believe this has a closet here. So yeah, see the closet there. So definitely this one is the secondary bedroom. So the one that we saw a while ago is the main bedroom, but they stage it as an office. And this is another full bathroom, which your guests can technically access. And the reason why is because this one is open here, right? And then they can use this as a guest bathroom as well. Hello, guys. And that it's a little darker floor. I would normally use a lighter floor because it's small space, right? So to make it more larger, or to make it appear larger, use lighter color plank. So that's the main bedroom, right? And that's the door we entered. And then there is this secondary bedroom there with a full bathroom and guest bathroom as well. Are you ready, guys? Let's take a look at this main living room area. You know, as expected, it's not going to be big because this is only around 1,250 square feet. But at the same time, they were able to fit a lot here. So basically you have your living area, your dining area, and your kitchen. Let's take a look at the kitchen. I'm seeing a really nice kitchen here. As you can see, guys, this is a nice kitchen here. Ooh, they have a really nice refrigerator here. And I believe this is like a small pantry here. But let me span from this side, guys. As you can see, it's not a big space, but it's very functional. If you're downsizing, this is definitely a good floor plan for you. It's not too expensive because it's below 500,000, I believe. But at the same time, it's very functional. And look at the height. This height is probably 11 feet or 10. I don't know, but it's pretty, the ceiling height is very, very high. So I'm gonna go on this side of the living room so that you can appreciate how open it is from one corner to the other. All right? Definitely a functional space. It's, you know, when you have an open space, it's really big. It looks big than the square footage itself. So definitely you will have a small backyard, but we can ask the builder if you can buy a lot premium for this kind of model. So comment down below if you would like me to ask the builder if you can get a bigger lot for a premium. But this is how your backyard is. It's not really big. It's actually a side yard, I think. Okay. But look at the grains, guys, of this counter. And I like that with Lennar, they use this water dispenser and a really nice rectangular sink. That's what I like about them. Okay, so this is your main living area. I think we've covered pretty much everything because this is just 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in total. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please comment down below. What do you think of this house plan? I wanted to get some feedback from you guys. If you're downsizing, I believe this is a really perfect floor plan for you. It's not an expensive one. and there are only 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, so it is easy to manage. But let me know, guys. I'd like to hear from you. Also, don't forget to subscribe down below so that every time I post a video, you'll be able to see them right away, and also put those bell notifications on. That's very important. As usual, I really appreciate you guys. Thanks so much for growing the channel with me, and have an amazing day.